Hey guys, this is a short video about the fan, the water pump and the starter dismantling. You can see I'm putting some WD-40, just give it a little bit more ease to release it. You're putting an M14 bolt, I think the pitch was 1.5. It's basically push the fan out from the shaft that it's sitting on. The mounting, normally it's a smaller screw that kind of like holding the fan into this shaft. This shaft inside have a thread. Now we're just pushing out. I don't see any problem with that. Some people says that they managed to break the fin of the fan. You can see it in the next picture how it looks like the mounting point of the fan. The hole in the center is where the small screw hold it. The next stage is to basically to dismantle the fan protection and the mounting brackets that holding the engine. This is the front one. There's 4 screws, and I find it really tricky because it was extremely hard, and one of them I put so much power and strength into it. I really struggled with it. To a certain extent it was not an issue. I recommend, of course, like any other thing, clean it properly and just put some grease on it for if you need to take it off in some other time, and it will be easier. A little bit of shaking. I struggle a little bit because of the clutch cable. I didn't dismantle it, I don't know why, and then it was in the way, so I just took it to the side, and then everything went so easy. This is the fan protection. It's a circular plastic thing. This process was really short when the engine was out. Really short. The next stage will be the water pump. The water pump have this protection. There's a few screws there. You can see them. Some of the screws holding the water pump and this protection. And there's a pipe, a hose, rubber hose with a clip. You just release the clip and just slide it out. Slide this kind of like protection out. And then 4 screws of the pipes that connecting into the cylinder. And I think that there's other 2 below, if I'm not mistaken. I think it's another 2. I don't really remember. Yeah, it's another 2, and the water pump is out. Simple as that. Starter the same. It's 2 screws, a little bit of shaking up and down, left and right, and just pull it out. Not much strength, and it's out. I hope you enjoy. I hope it's helpful, and see you in the next video. Cheers.